Former US President Bill Clinton and his wife Hillary Clinton, who is former Secretary of State, called on Prime Minister Narendra Modi in New York and discussed Indo-US relations. The Clinton couple had a 45-minute meeting with Modi, who was accompanied by External Affairs Minister Sushma Swaraj. Both the Prime Minister and Swaraj warmly greeted the Clintons and wished them on becoming grandparents. Swaraj warmly hugged Hillary. Chelsea, the daughter of Bill and Hillary, gave birth to a daughter, Charlotte, last week.
Then there was a fairly long discussion about Prime Minister's efforts to clean up the Ganga. And he explained what was the rationale and how he sees working on this, and requested the Clinton Foundation to consider working on small areas of this. President Clinton said he was extremely delighted on this, but he would like to go back and check where and in what specific area that the Clinton Foundation could work on this.
Known for their love for India, Bill and Hillary were expected to discuss Indo-US engagements and the priorities of the new government in this regard.
In the discussions with President Clinton and Mrs. Clinton, largely these were related to the initiatives of the Clinton Foundation in India. And these covered a very broad spectrum, including supply chain management issues, including diagnostic testing possibilities in India, solar energy. Yes, and Prime Minister on his part raised the issue of sickle cell anemia, which he is very concerned has affects certain parts of India in certain tribes. So he felt that if the Clinton Foundation could work on this.
Powered by NNIS.